Hey folks, Jason here again, this time showing off how easy it is to install the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4 case from Gumdrop cases. It has custom molded silicone to protect the outer edges of your device. Add in reinforced rubber bumpers on the corners and a replaceable polycarbonate screen shield, and this case is tough enough to stand up to almost anything you throw at it. So tough in fact that it's been mil-spec certified by an independent testing lab. That means the case and the device inside survived drops of up to 4 feet 26 different times. This Galaxy Tab is still vulnerable, so let's get this case installed before I drop it. First, orient the shield so that the camera hole is at the top and the port cutouts are at the bottom, just like on your Galaxy Tab. Then, simply snap it into place. Next, place the tablet and screen protector into the outer cover and slip the rubberized silicone over the edges of the protector. Finally, slide your stylus into the convenient stylus garage, and you're ready to go. So if you'd like to be the first on your block to have a mil-spec protected Galaxy Tab S4, just click on over to gumdropcases.com today and request your free demo unit.